Hi, Louie in the UK. Well, I'm getting there. I think I need a break, but yeah. So it's an offcut, obviously. Need to grind it all down. A little bit of attention on this area, and here, need a little patch there. Again, grinding it all down. Obviously, it's an offcut. This area needs repair, but I didn't want to repair this until I do this. So I think I might have enough. That might be enough for the day. But I am happy with what I've done. So that's it. My lovely Beetle 1971 project. And whilst I prepped all this area, I sort of cleaned it up a bit in there. Cleaned it all up a bit in there. So yeah, definitely had enough though. Bit of dinner, coffee, and I'm tired. We're tired. It's only like 2 o'clock. Bye.